Hi, my name is Brian Jones. I'm an audiologist and founder of Greater Atlanta Hearing. I've been practicing audiology now for 22 years, and I'm really proud of the business we've grown here in the last almost 5 years here in Cumming, Georgia. One of the things I think that's been really successful for us is that we're an independent office that focuses on patient care as number one. We focus on hearing loss and treating hearing loss with hearing aids. That is our expertise. And I think that's something that you should think about when you're focusing on your care. If you know you're having hearing problems and you're looking for someone who has that expertise, we'd be gladly the person in practice to help you with those needs. Our practice has grown tremendously in the last 5 years because we've made the focus all about the patient and doing the best we can to take care of whatever they need. We take all major insurance companies. We're licensed to treat all hearing loss as well as fit all major brands of hearing aids. We also have licensed audiology assistants to help with your repairs and service, as well as just giving you what we think is the best optimal care price. So please give us a call if you have any questions or like to learn more. We'd like to take care of you and set up a consultation. Thanks so much.